The video you're about to watch is actually from my Microsoft Teams Mastery course, but I decided to share it here on YouTube for free so that I can help people build a solid foundation with the tools that you're already using at work. In this lesson, we're going to discuss a few key terms in Microsoft Teams. I want to make sure that we're using a shared vocabulary so that it will limit confusion and reduce technobabble. Let's start with how to access Teams. There are two versions, the desktop app and the web application. You can get to the desktop application using a shortcut, or you can find it by going to the Start menu and selecting the application. You can get to the web application by launching your favorite internet browser and then going to office.com. Here you will be prompted to enter your username and password. Once logged in, you can find the Teams app in the list on the left-hand side of the screen. They are nearly identical, but occasionally Microsoft will publish a feature that is only available on the desktop application. Now that we're in Microsoft Teams, let's look at some key elements. On the left-hand side of the screen, you have the vertical navigation menu. The buttons on this menu are called apps. Sometimes you will see them referred to as personal apps in the Microsoft documentation. The app that you select will determine what you see in the navigation pane. So because I have chat selected, I have the option to create a new chat, or as people start sending me messages, I can select a message and continue a conversation. If I select Teams from the navigation menu, notice that you will now see a list of teams that you belong to. Choosing one of those options will determine what you see in the content pane. The content pane is where you will interact with messages, files, and other applications in Teams. For example, I have chosen the Teams course and the General channel. In the content pane, you are seeing a post with a welcome message. I can choose to reply to this message or start a new message if I want to. At the top of the content pane, you have the horizontal navigation menu. You can click on the tabs to change what you see. If you click on the Files tab, this will take you to a place where you can create new documents and work with existing ones that you will have saved in Teams. When you are working in Teams, you will see the three-dot icon in many places. This indicates that there is a hidden menu. It is most often called More Options. However, there is one significant deviation from the naming convention. At the top right corner of Teams, next to your photo, called your Presence icon, the three dots is for the Settings and More menu. These are just some of the key terms to get us started with our language bridging. As we move through the lessons, I will continue to share additional terms with you as we go.